Hello friends, how is everyone? I hope everyone is doing very well. Friends, we have come with our new content today. So the new content in today's video is going to be how to fix no sound on Windows 11. So how we will fix it, we will show in this video. So without delay, let's start our video. First of all, you have to come to your Windows. After coming, click on Start and then search for Control Panel. After Control Panel appears, you need to open it. Then here many of you might fall into this category. So click on this category and you need to click on large icons. After scrolling down a bit, you will see an option called sound. You need to click on your sound option. After doing so, an option like this will appear in front of it. Alright, you need to click on your speaker that is on and disable it at the same point and then enable it. After doing that, you will see an option when you right click here to go to properties. Alright, you need to click on this properties. After doing this, you will see the interface of your speakers. Next to it, you will find an option called levels. You need to click on levels. Then make sure this option here is not muted. That's usually why this problem occurs. You need to turn it on, and if you want, you can increase or decrease the sound level from here. Alright, this way your no sound problem will be fixed. Then one by one you need to close these interfaces. Friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Now